In this video, I'll tell you how to remove blocked contacts in WhatsApp without unblocking them. Be sure to watch the video to the end to avoid mistakes. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Your support is very important to me. To get started, open the App Store, wherever is the App Store on iOS or Google Play on Android. Find WhatsApp and make sure you have the latest version installed. This step is very important for the method to work correctly. After installing the update version, open WhatsApp. Go to Settings. On iPhone they are located at the bottom right corner, but on Android they may be located elsewhere depending on the version. In the settings, go to the Privacy section. Scroll down and find the Blocked section. A list of blocked contacts will appear. If you want to delete one of them without unlocking it, tap on it. On this page you will find the contact details such as name and phone number. Next, click on the Edit button in the top right corner. This will take you to a page where you can change various details about the contact. To delete the contact, click on the Delete Contact button and confirm the deletion. This action will successfully remove the blocked contact from your phone. This method allows you to effectively remove blocked contacts in your WhatsApp without having to unlock them first. Hope this video was helpful. If yes, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Goodbye!